So I have few containers here. This is about 10 containers. It's a completion of the 36 containers that I will be shipping on March 18. Vessel will be arriving on March 18 and will be sailing on March 20. So these are the trailers delivering empty containers, 2 containers per trailer. And when they collect the stuffed containers, it will be 1 container per trailer. These containers are 20 feet dry containers by Costco Shipping. So if you are thinking of shipping anything from any part of the world, consider Costco Shipping Line. Costco Shipping Line, your partner in international movement. Okay, that's all. Thank you. Be safe always. If you are new to my channel, please click the like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell.